Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to combine names and surnames Excel. You will start by opening the Excel file. You can see here the names and surnames to combine. Now, in a cell, you are going to enter the equal sign, then the concat function, and you must select the cells with the first and last name, but in the middle enter quotation marks, space quotation marks. This will separate the first and last name. Press enter to see the first and last name combination in Excel. You can drag the function to replicate this in the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.